Now, authorities disputed earlier claims by local officials that no illegal pogo was operating in the province. The National Bureau of Investigation, Bureau of Immigration, and Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission discovered the illegal pogo hub in Lapu-Lapu City. It was operating in a hotel owned by a certain Shoki Jiao.
This is 100% an illegal pogo. Illegal po ito kasi wala pong pogo na may lisensya dito sa Cebu Province. Zero. Ito ang first time namin sa PAOK dito sa Cebu Province. But we have heard reports of other possible illegal pogos in this island region.
Around 204 nationals were rescued from the raid. They are from Indonesia, Myanmar, Taiwan, Malaysia, and China. PAOK said some of them were from the illegal pogo hub raided in Porac, Pampanga.
According to our reports, most of these foreign nationals actually escaped from Pampanga. So after our raid in Pampanga, yung mga managers nila, yung mga owners nila, they were brought here.
Oh, di
Para
ba?
silang virus, ha? Di ba
Lumilipat.
na inuman ng gamot sa kabila, tumakbo sa kabila.
Kabila, doon pala. Kasi di ba sabi nga nila may nakatunog na doon sa raid na gagawin doon sa Pampanga. I remember that a few months
That's
ago.
right.
Diba? Kaya may iba nga sila nahuli sa akto na patakas na eh.
Oh,
at that time.
Tsaka yung, di ba, nagkaroon pa ng issue sa mga judges. I think was that in Pampanga o Tarlac?
Oo.
Kaya na-delay ang raid nila, Pampanga, because yung judge hindi binigay yung, yung warrant eh.
Oo. Actually, it started itong operation nila ito. Meron kasing request from Indonesian Embassy na ma-rescue nga, makuha yung 3 Indonesian na naka-escape doon sa Pogo Hub na yun, doon sa Cebu. And lo and behold, nakita nga nila na operating nga illegal yung Pogo na to.
100%.
There are minors, there are women na nag-o-offer pa daw ng dance lessons doon sa mga Pogo operation.
And may familiar, ika nga, di ba, yung pinag-usapan natin, may familiar faces po from Porac, Pampanga.
Naku.
Lumipat lang sa... Ano ba nangyari?
The saga continues.
Yeah, last question before we go. Ano ba nangyari the moment they raided Porac, Pampanga na nakatalon ang mga managers sa kabila? Hindi ba na-detain to or na-deport?
Oh, yun,
diba?
sige.